Alfred, I've got a lock on the signal used to remotely control the sniper rifle. Joker's behind this.
Was there ever any doubt?
The radio signal should lead me right to him.
Good luck, sir.
They should have been back here hours ago. I don't know. They know the rules. I keep telling you guys, get back here before it gets dark. Maybe Two-Face's crew got him. Damn it! Why the hell didn't they listen? This is the only place we're safe. We stay in here, and those animals don't bother us. You're telling the wrong person. I know. Why did they go out? Food, I guess. They should have waited. They were hungry. Hell, we're all hungry. I haven't eaten for days. We're dying here. We're safer here than out there. I'll get us some food. How? Every time Strange drops some, those bastards get it first. We don't stand a chance. I'll figure something out. Trust me.
Full yet?
Not even close.
Hurry the hell up. Why? Joker wants me to make sure.
Welcome, inmates. You are now taking your first tentative steps towards a better world. A world of fun, mischief, and best of all, a world where the only person you need to answer to is yours truly.
So, what's the policy today?
Word is we shoot every sorry-ass loser that comes this way.
Okay.
Wait a second. Doesn't Joker's PA say he takes anyone?
We do. Today, however, we shoot them.
Yesterday we took them in the back room and burned off their skin.
Really?
Yeah, but sometimes Joker
I
just
know
lets
what you
anyone
guys are
join.
thinking.
Keeps things interesting.
Is life at
Interesting.
Joker Enterprises
Sounds
everything
dangerous.
it's rumored to
You're
be?
just lucky you joined on a good
Sadly,
day.
it is.
I
All
guess
of
I
it.
am.
But look on the bright side. At least you know what you're getting yourself into, and I can promise you this. You'll never leave.
Batman's staking this.
Listen up, dumbasses, and listen carefully. As you know, Mr. J he's not himself. And the last thing he needs is any so-called superhero coming in here and stopping his recuperation. That's where you come in, morons. You need to protect the steel mill. Protect it with your life. Because if you fail, I'll make sure your miserable lives don't mean zip. You get it? Good.
How are we supposed to get in there?
There's gotta be a way. How would Batman do it?
Do I look like Batman?
No, I mean he could get in. How do you think he'd do it? He'd use his grapple thing. I guess he could go in through the main tower.
Great. Have you got one?
Nah.
Okay, let's get this straight. The only way in is through one of the main cooling tunnels?
Suppose.
The tunnel full of boiling water and poisonous gas?
Yeah, we could build a boat.
And the gas?
Gas masks?
So, let's get this straight. You geniuses think that the best way in is to build a boat, sail across a boiling ocean wearing gas masks to stop us getting killed.
Yeah, let's do it.
Alfred, I need to find a route into the Sionis steel mill.
Have you tried the front door, sir?
Why didn't I think of that?
Looking at some
It was
of these
obviously too easy.
I'm not
Let's
even
see,
sure I
if
take
all the
the
other
order.
access routes are
Most
locked
of them
down, the only way in
all
would
the
be...
branches of the brain
no,
tree
it's
when they fell out of
suicide.
the sky. But you know
The
what?
main chimney.
I don't care.
Okay, then. steam from the furnace will boil me alive. I need to cool down the coals somehow.
Yeah, Joker wants you to think he's sick. Then wham! Gotcha.
I don't know, man. He looks pretty sick.
You mean worse than usual?
Shut up, man.
I promised you some entertainment, right, boys?
Please, I did my best.
Well, you should have tried harder. That useless plaque has failed, Mr. J. And you know what that means. Well, I think we can do better than that. Get in here, Mr. Hammer.
Help me!
Stop! Change your plan. Take her to the smelting chamber. Mr. J wants this one to suffer a little longer.
You're coming with us, Doc.
The rest of you idiots, get out of here. You know what you've got to do. Go get the snowman and bring him back here right now. He's gonna pay for screwing over Mr. J. I need him back here like yesterday.
Who was Harley talking about?
Sounds like she's declared war on Freeze.
Yeah, she sounded pissed. How's he connected to Joker and all this mess?
How should I know? She's always freaking out these days. Joker really must be sick after all.
I guess. I always figured he'd last forever. Know what I mean?
Maybe it's got something to do with all that crap back at Arkham Island. You saw what happened, right?
Only what was on the TV. He was like some kind of freaking monster. He was huge. I thought he was gonna start ripping choppers out of the air.
And then next time we see him, he's all normal looking.
Yeah, normal. Like he ever looks normal.
Okay, whatever. He looked like the Joker.
Yeah, it was weird. I don't buy it. This is all part of Joker's plan. It must be. He's gonna be fine. He's just screwing with the bat.
This'll be easy, freak. We'll kill you. You're gonna die in Arkham City.
What the hell are you doing here? You're supposed to be dead! Well, there's no way you're getting
going to Mr. J. We're safe and sound up here. You can just stay down there and burn.
Alfred, Joker's holed up in the manager's office in the steel mill.
I'm sure you'll find a way, sir.
Of course I will. Some of his goons dragged a doctor away. I'm going to find her first, then deal with Joker.
No one said anything about the bat coming in. So? I'm just saying. I thought the whole point of this stuff in here was that bat was out there. You know, we got it. Scared of big bad bat?
No, not scared exactly, but, well, he broke 3 of my ribs back at the asylum. My arm 6 months ago.
Better make sure he don't come too close then.
Easier said than done, man. You've never seen him in action.
And when I do, I'm gonna teach him not to mess with me. Harley wants him dead, and I want a piece of Harley.
Are you insane? Harley? Have you forgotten about her boyfriend?
Way I hear it, the whole world will have forgotten about her boyfriend soon enough. Then I get a ride on the Harley.
Or a bullet in the face? Seriously, don't get too cocky. Batman's dangerous. Hell, Harley's dangerous.
Did you hear the noise that last doctor was making?
I like it when they scream like that.
Me too. She was one of the loud ones, though. A real screamer. Know what I mean?
If she knew what Abramovich is gonna do to her, she'd do more than scream.
You remember the...
Please, don't do it again.
Sorry, Doc. Harley wants you to hurt for not fixing up the Joker. Seems pretty upset.
There's nothing I can do. He's too far gone.
Yeah?
His toxin level, it's off the chart. I don't know how he's still alive. Please, just let me go. I'm a volunteer. I'm here to help you people.
This was supposed to be your last chance to make things good. Harley says if you can't fix the boss, we gotta hurt you. Bad.
Oh, God, please. Please don't. I'm begging you.
Stop crying, Doc. It makes you feel better. I've been enjoying good years.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, God. Oh, God. Help. Help me, someone.
Stop that rain, boys.
Keep it up.
Here, don't let him get it. You take the door. God, quiet.
I can do this all night, bitch. Can I get you something, Doc? How about a painkiller?
How do you think poor Mr. J is gonna get better if you idiots fail to stop the rodents?
Can you stand?
Give me a second. What's wrong with these people? That crazy woman thinks I can fix the Joker.
What's wrong with him?
There's something in his blood, some kind of toxin. It's killing him. He blames something called Titan.
Titan?
Yeah. Do you know what he's talking about? He kept going on about his last laugh.
Doc. Isn't that information supposed to be confidential?
What's happening? How does she know what we're saying?
Get that door sealed up nice and tight, boys. We don't want that fireman escaping, will we?
At least they won't be getting in. We're safe, right?
Wait here, Doctor.
What the hell are you doing?
I need to get out of here. Someone needs to stop Joker. Stay here. You'll be safe.
You sure?
If you hear anyone coming, hide. I'll be back.
That's the plan.
It's not a plan. It's a suicide note.
I'm not scared of him. The door's welded shut, and he's just some freak in a costume.
Okay, then you stand in front.
Why, you chicken?
Would you two just shut the hell up and get ready? I don't like this any more than you do. But if we got one chance, it's that we all jump him. Together.
Batman! It's Batman!
Protocol 10 will commence in 9 hours.
How did you get out of the smelting chamber, B-Man? What did you build? Tell me, tell me!
Harley, get back in here. I think I'm dying.
Now see what you've done? Scram, B-Man! Coming, Mr. J!
going to reach the Joker. I will stop you. We're gonna hurt you, Bat. I will crush every bone in your body. You're not going to reach the Joker.
You need a bandage? Back! Hey, back brain! Don't you have somewhere better to be?
We'll kill you, Bat. Hold still while I pound your face into the dirt. You're not going to reach the Joker. I will stop you. You will die here, little bat.
You!
Get out of my way, Quinn.
Leave us alone, B-Man! Just leave me with him.
I said move!
This is all your fault! You've hounded him for years, beat him to a pulp, and for what? Why are you so mean?
Surprise!
You fell for the old fake Joker gag, Batman.
Batter up!
Sounds like the detective will be busy with the Joker for a while. Good. Gives this kitten some time to play. So what next? Help tall, brooding, and handsome? Or help myself do all the loot Professor Strange has locked up in that vault of his? I know. Difficult choice, right? What will it be? Find Croc and have him rip a hole into the vault? Ask Penguin for some explosives? Not my style. I always prefer a woman's touch in these situations. Stay where you are, Ivy. I'm coming to get you. I need to get my kit from my apartment. No way I can face Ivy without my things. I'd be naked without them.
The perimeter wall of Arkham City is not...
What's Catwoman doing here?
Do not approach the wall. Failure to comply will send an extreme force.
Too busy killing each other to notice us.
Well, how are we supposed to find out where she lives, anyway?
Two-Face said she lives somewhere near here.
So what? How does he know?
How am I supposed to know? I don't question the boss. You shouldn't either.
I know. Well, how come he's so pissed all of a sudden, anyway?
Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's because Catwoman left him hanging over that acid tank.
Really?
Yeah. He had it just where he wanted her, and that bitch broke free.
Seriously? How come I miss all this stuff?
Maybe it's because you spend half your life eating that crap in those tins, and the other half on a crapper.
Yeah, there's something wrong with it.
Then here's an idea. Stop eating it and find out where Catwoman's been hiding.
What the hell is she doing here?
It's good to be home. Okay, Selena, time to find Ivy. Let's hope she's forgiven me. Of course she has. She wouldn't hold a grudge.
So, you really think Batman blew up the church?
Yeah. I mean, he was the last one in. Next thing, it's on fire.
It doesn't sound like the kind of thing the Bat would do.
Maybe it was a trap. Harlequin tricks Batman into going into the church, and then the Joker blows it up.
But wouldn't that mean Harley got blown up too?
You know what those two are like. The Joker probably thought it would be funny.
It would be. I hate her. She scares the crap out of me. Unfortunately, I saw the crazy bitch leave before the roof blew.
Pity. Where was she going?
Now she was heading back to her psychotic boyfriend's steel mill in an ice cream truck.
Sounds about right. I heard Ivy.
That chick's hot. There's no way I'm going anywhere near her.